Hello everyone and welcome back to One Bag, One World. I hope everyone's having a fantastic summer, and if you still have some summer trips planned, I have something I want to talk to you about that I think you might be interested. This is the luggage set from Quince, and it is an amazing value, and I cannot wait to tell you all about why. Okay, now this barely fits in shot. It's a gigantic bag. This is their luggage set that you can get right now, and it's a 23% discount from buying these pieces individually. Now, I've talked about Quince before on this channel a few times, specifically around their clothing. Speaking of, this is one of their button-down shirts. It is my favorite dress button-down shirt. It fits like an absolute dream. It is incredibly comfortable. It feels like luxury. I recently let my friend borrow one of these shirts when he was at a wedding recently. He wore a white shirt and he said, "This must be what it feels like to be rich." And I can't think of a better endorsement for Quince or their products than that, because that is exactly what it's like. Now, they are a direct-to-consumer company. That means they cut out the middlemen and they pass the savings on to you, and they do a very good job of that, and they do it throughout their entire product line. But I don't want to talk about clothes right now, although you should definitely check out their clothes. They are phenomenal. I specifically focused on their linen clothes in my hot weather one bag, and we also talked about them when we went to Turks and Caicos because we got matching sets for dinner when it was very hot on the island, and we absolutely loved them. Anyway, on to the bags. So like I said, this is the travel set, the expandable carry-on and checked bag from Quince. They come in 4 different colors. So this one is tan, they have a navy, a dark green, and a black. Now, one thing that's cool if you'd like some personalization, if you want to be able to spot your luggage easier on that carousel after a long flight, is that they do rotating colors. So about every quarter or so, whenever they sell out, essentially they rotate in new colors. So it's not guaranteed that you can even get these bags at the time that you are probably going to be shopping for it based on when I film this. And that is kind of cool. That means you kind of get that little uniqueness. Now, I have an away bag as well. And the problem is when we check that bag, even though we do really like it, it's a dime a dozen on the carousel at the end of a long flight. So that means, constantly pulling them off, checking the tags. It's nice to have this level of individuality in these type of bags. Now, one of the things I really like about these is that these are expandable. So that means this 40-liter carry-on, 40 liters is about a standard size for a roller carry-on, goes up to 48 liters. And this 99-liter checked bag goes up to 122. Now, that is amazing specifically for trips like when you go to Japan and you come back with all of those amazing viral souvenirs, of which there are many. Japan is a phenomenal country and probably the perfect use case for something like this. So this is gonna run you $299.90, just 10 cents shy of $300, but it's worth every penny. I own a lot of backpacks that are worth more than that, and I have reviewed tons of them. So for that same price, you can get a checked bag and a carry-on bag. That is the perfect entry point for someone who wants to do some traveling and bring back some stuff and they haven't quite narrowed it down to a one bag specific focus. Or if you're moving, there are tons of reasons to have checked bags. I'm not here to gatekeep. I think there's more than enough reasons. I've hurt my back enough at this stage in my life to know that sometimes I want a roller bag. We're going to Japan in the middle of summer and I don't necessarily want to have a bag strapped to my back while I sweat through my clothes. So let's talk about some of the features. What does that $299.90 get you? Well, besides getting both of these bags, and this carry-on can fit in this checked bag, by the way. I called that out on my level 8 video recently. That means that you can check both of these bags, and then when you get to your destination, when you load up with souvenirs, you check this one back and you can take this as a carry-on. It's just kind of a nice, easy way if you don't have that much stuff and you just want to take a small personal item carry-on. There is an easy way to do that and save yourself having to, drag like 3 bags through the airport. Anyway, on to what you get for that $300. You get free shipping, you get a lifetime warranty, you get 365 days of easy return policies. That is pretty amazing for a bag company. Both of these bags come with built-in laundry bags, which I will show you when we get into the interior. As for the exterior, you get 360 spin wheels, and I love the little branding down here, and they also say, "Let's get rolling." It's kind of cute. I do like that. You get the TSA locks. Those are pretty standard on most roller bags, checked bags at this point. You get an aluminum telescoping handle with a rubber top, which is very actually nice to use. It's very soft. Grab handle on the top, and a beautiful polycarbonate shell like most of these bags are made out of these days. Now, the price isn't high, but the feature set definitely feels luxurious. These are YKK zippers, the industry standard, all the way around the exterior and interior. And when we get in the bag, they also come with a way to keep your bags clean. Sometimes these get dirty, especially when they get checked. And there is a sponge eraser on the inside. Whoops, I just did the expansion. That's the expansion zipper, by the way. It gives you that much extra space, and that's where that extra 8 liters is coming from. For interior access, where'd I put these? In the TSA lock up here, you just slide to the side. If I could reach it, there you go. Pops them open. You get 2 zippers around the exterior, and it's gonna open up clamshell style. Now, once you get into the exterior of the bag, let me make sure this is picking it up. You're going to see immediately you have this little pouch down here. Now, this is that integrated laundry sack. It's much bigger on the checked bag, but it's beautiful, zippered. I love things like this because sometimes I do not travel with like a plastic bag or something I could stuff my clothes into. Recently, I've been doing a lot of traveling with the nomadic laundry bag, which I actually really enjoy. But when I have it integrated into my bag already, that's probably what I'll use. And it's very easy to stow back in here and kind of get out of the way. And then you can just zip that up. Now, in terms of organization, you're going to have 2 clips up here, the standard kind of compressing, plastic little sheet here where things kind of free floating can go in here and then get compressed down with this. Inside this zippered mesh compartment area, you will have the little eraser to wipe off smudges and stuff. I always really like that. It helps keep your bags looking fresh and retaining their value for a long time. Then on the other side, you're going to have a zippered mesh compartment on the left, YKK zippers. Again, I just want to call it out. And you'll have 2 pockets divided by a thin strip of webbing down the middle. Now, there isn't much 3D capacity, but there is give, obviously, just in like the nylon fabric. But you can easily sew some stuff in there, like chargers, while you're in transit. Then on the other side, you just have this big bucket, tons of capacity to fit stuff in. And then when you do that expansion zip, you'll see it's gonna be on this side. So kind of on top of this piece of, this divider right here, you will have about an extra, what is that, like 2-3 inches of fabric right there to completely stuff. And it's nice, it does keep its shape well. You can see that I've unzipped it, but it's holding its shape well despite this pulling it down over here. And the interior of both of these bags are gonna look the exact same. So that is the little dirty table. That is the carry-on bag right there. And then that will fit into this checked bag. And the thing about the checked bag, like all good checked bags should have, is that they're gonna have these little rubber feet. It's a great way to set the bag down and not worry about kind of abrasion when you're in transit or when you get to your destination at your hotel. So same thing, 360 glide wheels. You're gonna have that telescoping handle, which is aluminum with that nice kind of, it's a very like smooth rubber. It's very nice to use. And you're gonna have the TSA lock, and then I'll just show you the inside quickly so you can get an idea of what that looks like. Man, these bags are big. So this is 99 liters. That is more than enough space than you will ever need. There's the laundry bag. You can see that's definitely quite a bit bigger. And it's gonna be the exact same. You're gonna have this dividing compartment with 1 zipper at the top. You're gonna have your little eraser right there. And then on the other side, same thing. There's 2 mesh zippered pockets with that strap divider in the middle, and then 1 giant bucket. Now again, you'll see the extra fabric right here is kind of zipped up, but that is where you're gonna get your expansion. That's gonna take you from 99 to 122 liters, which is an amazing amount of space. Now I've got my Peak Design medium cube here. I just wanted to grab this to show you kind of what the interior looks like relative to something that you might have seen a lot on this channel. So this is the one I always use in a lot of my packing videos. And you can see that in the checked bag, you could basically fit 4 of these if you kind of kept it a little narrow. It takes up probably about to the second rail where the telescoping handle goes in. So you could easily fit 2 here and then maybe 2, maybe half of this on the side. And that's just, to cover the base. You still probably have, I don't know, easily you could stack probably 2 layers of those on top and then compress them down with this. And the other side of this bag, same story because obviously it's the same width. You can fit a ton of stuff in this bag. So that's probably like 12, 16 packing cubes. I mean, you'll probably hit your weight restrictions before you even get close to remotely filling this bag. Now, as for the carry-on, I'll show you the same thing in there so that you can see what it looks like, because you're more likely to probably be curious about how much this can fit. Now, again, it is 40 liters. Peak Design Cube takes up about 80% of that bag. You're gonna have some space on the side for shoes. Toiletry kit up here, probably 1 to 2 packing cubes, but that's just on one side. Then you still have that entire zippered compartment for a ton of stuff. So if you move the packing cube over there, which, I mean, you don't necessarily need to do because you have a zippered compartment, so you don't necessarily need it. I'd much rather keep it over here to keep clothes from kind of falling through those gaps on the side. And you are going to have more than enough stuff with you for whatever trip you might have. Now, I know a lot of people are like, isn't this more of like a backpack review channel? Yes, but we still like to review these check bags because like I said, they do come in handy. Sometimes you're traveling in winter, sometimes you're traveling for business. There are a lot of occasions in life where you just need more than a backpack. I think it's a great exercise to try and travel with a backpack. But if you're going to a wedding, or if you just want to enjoy yourself, if you want to express yourself, have a few more outfits, I totally get it. This is a great company. Quince makes phenomenal products. They pass the savings on to you, and you get really high quality stuff and a great company behind it. So I'm always down to support them. I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.